Okay, good morning, my dear students, grade 10 students in our session today. Today, inshallah, we'll complete our session. Yesterday, we talked about some concepts of related to the circles of circles, which are the radius, the diameter, and the chord. We stand on the concentric circles. Stand on the concentric circles. Let's complete our lesson. Before I complete the lesson, I send the report for our electronic homework on the WhatsApp group, and I have only 7 students who do the homework. Okay, 7 students did the homework, which are Abdullah Al-Anazi, Mishari, Mazen, Muhammad Al-Tamimi, Naif, Ahmed Al-Anazi, and Tamim. Okay, these only the students who did their homework. Okay, let's start our session. First, I'm talking about the last definition. We stand here. Ibrahim. Okay, Ibrahim. Okay, what Ibrahim? Ibrahim. What Ibrahim?
هلا
Okay, okay. Shall we start? Okay, shall we start? Okay, pay attention with me. Pay attention with me. We have the concentric circles. This is the last definition we talked about it yesterday. So concentric circles are coplanar circles that have the same center. As we said, the center of the small circle is A, and the center also of the big circle is A. So the radius of the first circle is AB. This is radius 1. Okay, and this is all radius 2. Okay, so these are 2 concentric circles. Pay attention about the example. Pay attention about the example. We talk about this example. Pay attention with me. Okay, I'm going to Abdullah Shafi. Can you read the example, please, Abdullah?
Inshallah. The diameter of the circle X is 22 units. The diameter of circle Y is 16 units, and WZ equals 5 units. Find XY.
So I need to find the length of XY. I need to find this length, all this length. Okay, XY. First, I looking for the information. The diameter of the circle X, the big circle, is what, Abdullah?
22.
Can you
units.
get the radius?
The radius
is 22. So the radius.
The radius is 11.
So the radius will be 11. So this length, the radius here is XZ. So XZ is equal to 11. From where we get this information? From the diameter equal 22. Okay, this is the first information. Okay, thanks, Abdullah. I'm going to Abdullah Al-Anazi. Abdullah Al-Anazi. Abdullah?
Yes, Mister. Yes.
Okay, can you complete the diameter of circle Y is 16 units. So what about the radius? The diameter is 16. The diameter is 16. Can you give me the radius length? The diameter is 16. So the radius will be what? Abdullah? Abdullah?
Do you hear me, Mister? Hello.
Abdullah. Yes, Abdullah. Okay.
Mr. Mohammed.
Please don't talk, Abdullah. Don't take the permission. Okay, Abdullah. Okay, complete, Abdullah.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, complete. The diameter is 16. What about the radius of circle Y?
The diameter is 16 units, and it's you want the radius?
Yes, we want the radius.
The radius is
half the length of the diameter. Half the length of the diameter, it means half of 16.
يعني the half of 16
Yes,
it's 8.
it's 8. So the length of this part is 8. This part is equal to 8. So this is equal to 8. Okay. And he gave you
Sir,
this WZ is equal to 5 units. WZ is equal to 5 units. Okay. So this part,
Mr.
which is a common between the two, common part between the two circles is 5. So I can draw it or write it by another pen. So this is 5. Okay. So now pay attention with me. I'm going to Mazen. Okay, Mazen.
Yes, mister. I'm sorry, but in the beginning of the question, I can't listen anything.
Okay, but now
I came on, yes, now I can listen, but I came only when you said xz equals the y circle equals 16 only.
yes. So the diameter, you have here the problem. The diameter said that the diameter of x of the circle x is 22. So we deduce that with Abdullah Shavi that xz is the radius of the first circle, which is half the diameter, which is equal to 11. And by the same way, the small circle, which is circle Y, its diameter is 16. With Abdullah al-Ainazi, we get the radius is 8. And this part, which is drawn by the pink color, is only 5. Okay, I need to find XY all. Mazen,
Yes,
XZ is equal to what?
xz equal 17.
XZ.
No, 19.
No, XZ is the radius of the circle X.
Ah, 16, yes. 16.
No,
11 and 5.
11, only 11. XZ is 11. XZ is the result of the radius. So it's 11.
Mm,
This part is 5. Can you give me the other part? Can you give
6.
me this part?
Yes, equal 6.
So this part is equal to 6 now. Okay, so this part, which is called XW. So XW equal to 11. Sorry, equal to 6. Okay, by the same way, I'm going to the small circle. In the small circle, I have the whole radius length is 8, and this part is 5. What about YZ? What about YZ? Mazen? Mazen? Abdullah Gurney? Abdullah Gurney? Okay, Abdullah.
Mr.
This WY
Mr.
equal to 8, and this part equal to 5. Can you get this part?
مستر مؤمن
What?
في عدد من الطلاب بسبب ما يسمع
Mister, can you listen me?
في مشكلة عندهم.
Hello.
Okay, I remove.
Mr. Moment, تسمعني?
Yes, Mazen. Ziad.
Yes, mister. I'm sorry, but البرنامج طلعني ودخلني مرة ثانية.
Okay, there is no problem.
Equal 3. ZY equal 3.
So this part is equal to 3. Okay, so now YZ is equal to 3. Okay, and the WZ, he gave me the value of WZ, which is 5. So now I need to get XY totally. So the total length of XY is 3 plus 5 plus 6. 3 plus 5 plus 6 equal what?
Three plus 5 plus 6.
Yes.
Yes, xz equal 14.
Equal 14. Excellent. So
xy
y
equal 14.
xy is equal to 14, or the sum of the three lenses that we see together. Again, from the beginning, we have the diameter of the first circle with Abdullah Shavi, we get the radius. We have the diameter of the second circle, 16, with Abdullah Al-Ainazi, we get it 8. Then we subtract 8 minus 5 and 11 minus 5. We get the length of x, w, y, z, and w, y, and we add them to get the length of xy. Xy is equal to 14 units, and this is our result. Okay, thanks Abdullah, thanks Mazen, thanks Abdullah. We have here, this is the answer by the steps. Find, we get z y, we get zy, which is 3, as Mazen said. Then we get the value of xy, which is what? Which is equal to 14, as we said. Okay. Okay, so we have here another example. We have here another example. Seconds to think about it, and I'll choose one to solve it. I'll read the problem with a loud voice. The diameters of circle D, circle B, and circle A are 4 inches, 9 inches, and 18 inches respectively. Find AC. I need to find the length of AC. Okay, you can think about it for 30 seconds. Okay, I'm going to Muhammad Rafa. Muhammad?
Yes, hello.
Okay, can you read the problem, please, with a loud voice?
The diameters of circle D, B, and A are 4 inches, 9 inches, and 18 inches, respectively. Find AC.
I need to find the value of AC. First, he gave me the diameter of circle D. Circle D, its diameter is what?
4 inches.
Its diameter is 4 inches. What about the radius?
2 inches.
Excellent. So I can write here the radius of the small circle D is 2. So as he said, Muhammad said, this part is 2 now. This part is 2 because the small circle D, the diameter is 4. Muhammad, divide the diameter by 2, it becomes 2. Excellent, Muhammad. I'm going to the second circle, the circle B. Its diameter is what?
9 inches.
So the radius
is 4.5.
So the radius is 4.5. It means the radius of the circle B, which is this part, pay attention, this part is 4.5. This part is 2, Muhammad. What about the small part here?
It's 2.5.
Excellent. So this part is 2.5. Okay, so 2.5, and this part is 4.5 because it's the other part of the radius, so this is 4.5. Okay, now I'm going to the last circle, or the big circle, circle A, the whole circle is 18, Muhammad. What about the radius?
It's 9 inches.
It's 9 inches. It means all this will be, as you see, will be 9. So this part is 9 and the other part also is 9. Can you find AC, Muhammad?
AC is 7. It's
Excellent,
4.5
Muhammad.
plus
It's
2.5.
4.5 here. So 4.5. And this part, the small part, we said it's 2.5. So 2.5 plus 4.5, Muhammad, excellent. It's equal to 7 inches. So as Muhammad said, it's 7 inches. Okay. So this is the problem. If you wanted to write the problem and write the answer, I leave about 30 seconds to write the answer. Okay. Let's complete another example. Let's complete another example. Okay. We have a new concept, which is the circumference. Okay. Muhammad Arif. Okay, Muhammad. What, Muhammad?
Yes, can I read?
Yes, read it, but with a loud voice, please.
If a circle has diameter d or radius r, the circumference equals the diameter times pi, or twice the radius times pi.
Okay, so this is the rule of the circumference. From here, we deduce that the circumference, which is denoted by C, so C means the circumference. If we need to find the circumference, we have two rules. If we have the value of D, or the value of the diameter, we multiply by times D, by times D. Or if we get the circumference by using the radius, it's 2 times by times R. So now we have two rules. This is the first one, if the given value of diameter, and the second one is the given value of the radius. Okay, okay. We're going to deduce another two rules. Be attention with me. Be attention with me. I'll try to write two new rules. This, if I want to get the circumference. So if I want to get the circumference, by times D, or 2 times by times R. By times D, or 2 times by times R. If we want to get the length of the diameter, if we want to get the length of the diameter and that the circumference is given, it means if I want to get D and the circumference is given, so I take the circumference and divide it by the value of pi. So this is the third rule. This is the third rule. Diameter equals circumference divided by the value of pi. Diameter equals the circumference divided by the value of pi. The third, or the last rule, when we want to get the radius. When we want to get the radius, we can use this rule, okay, by dividing the diameter by 2. Or another rule, circumference over 2 multiplied by the value of pi. So we have now 4 rules. The first, for getting the circumference given the diameter. Second, getting the circumference given the radius. Getting the diameter given the circumference. Getting the radius given the circumference. Okay, complete with me, Muhammad. Just need to solve this example. Okay, we're going to the example. Okay. Okay. محمد عارف؟ محمد؟
Yes, yes.
Okay, can you read the problem?
A series of crop circles was discovered in Alberta, Canada on September 4th, 1999. The largest of the 3 circles had a radius of 30 feet. Find its circumference.
I need to find the circumference.
2 times 30 times pi.
Excellent. So the circumference here, because he gave us the radius length is 30, as he said, a radius of 30 feet. So to find the circumference, it's 2 times pi times r, or you multiply 30 by 2 to get the value of d and multiply it by pi. So we get the by steps. We get the result by steps. First, I'm just write the first step. Since the radius is equal to 30 feet and the diameter is 2r, then the diameter is 2 times 30 equals 60. For that, he used the rule of the d. Circumference equal pi times d. This is the circumference formula. Okay, so pi times 60 by substitution, pi equal 3.14 or 22/7. Okay, you get the result, and this is, you can write 60 pi, or you can calculate it by using your calculator. It will be 188.50. Please write the answer. Okay, I'm going to Tamim.
Yes, Mr.
Do you have any problem?
No, I only want to answer the last question.
Okay, there is no problem. The next one, but just try to write the answers. Try to write the answers. Okay. Inshallah, I'll upload this video on the SBS. Okay, in order, if you want to return back to the video. Okay. Inshallah, after the session. This is the answer. So in this problem again, Muhammad Arif said that we have the radius. So the radius is 30 feet. I need to find the circumference. He get the diameter by taking the double of the radius or multiply the radius by 2, and then write the rule, substitute, and get the answer. Okay, I'm going to Mazen. Okay, Mazen.
Mr.
Okay, Mazen.
Can you send the video in the WhatsApp group?
In the WhatsApp group, I think it's okay. I can send the link. Yes, there is no problem.
Yes, the link.
Okay. There is no
thank
problem. Okay, this is the answer of the first problem talking about the circumference. Okay, we're going to the second one with the Tamim. So the circumference of the crop circle is 60 pi or 188.5 if it's substituted by your calculator. Okay. I'm going to Tamim.
Yes, Mr.
Okay, can you read?
Yeah, the answer is green steel globe. This size flashing meadows, Corona Park in Queens, New York. It has a diameter of 120 feet.
Corona? أعوذ بالله. Corona إيه? What's Corona? Okay, Corona Park. Okay, there is no problem. Okay, complete.
Diameter of 120 feet. Find its circumference.
Yes, I need to find the circumference. He gave me what? He gave me the diameter. The diameter is 120 feet. The diameter is 120 feet. And I need to find the circumference. Okay, the first step, Tamim.
Okay, we're 120.
Can you give me the rule? Circumference equal what?
Circumference دي لا دي
Circumference,
120.
yes, he gave me the value of D.
Yeah.
C equal what?
C
Multiplied
by
by D.
D.
By multiplied
by D
equal to
by
multiplied
by A.
You get A top. Okay, so it's D, which is 120
20
multiplied by
120
the value of by. It means 120 by. After
by,
calculation, we can get the result and we know the answer. So it's letter A. Excellent, Tamim. If you calculate 120 by 120 times 3.14 equals approximately 377.
Yes.
Excellent, Tamim.
Excellent.
Okay,
Thank you.
this is a second example. This is the second example. Okay, we're going to another example. Okay. Okay, this is the second example. Okay, I'm going to Ziad. Ziad, can you read the example, please?
Yes.
Okay.
Find the diameter and the radius of the circle to the nearest hundred. If the circumference of the circle is 65.4 feet.
Okay, I need to find what?
The diameter.
Yes, the
And
diameter,
the radius.
then the radius. Okay, if we found the diameter, we divide the diameter by 2, we get the radius. And our given or the information, he gave me the circumference equal what?
65.4 feet.
So I need to find the diameter. As I said, the diameter equal to circumference over by. Okay, so the diameter equal circumference, which is what?
65.4.
So 65.4, okay, over
3.14.
3.40. Okay. Do you have a calculator?
From my So 65.4.
Yes,
divided
by 3.14.
Which equals 20.8280.
Okay, so it's approximately equal 21. Approximately equal 21. Okay, this is feet. So 21 feet. It's the result of the diameter. Okay, thanks. We're going to Sulaiman al-Mihedib. Okay, Salman Fahd.
With you. Hello? Mr. I'm with you. I'm with you.
Okay, okay. So we have here Sulaiman al-Mihedib. Okay.
Yes.
Sulaiman, the diameter equal 21 feet. Can you get the length of the radius?
Mister, I can't see the board. Mister.
You can't see the... You can't see?
No, I can't.
Okay, so you have a problem with your device, but I think all the students see the screen. Okay, Salman Fahd?
Yes, mister.
Do you see my writing?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I need to find the radius. I have the diameter 21. What is the relation between the diameter and the radius? If you have the diameter 21, what about the radius?
Times 21 by 6
No, no, no.
65.4.
No. The radius is half the length of the diameter. The radius is half the length of the diameter. It means that the radius
10.5.
is the diameter divided by 2. Okay, the diameter equals what?
21.
So 21 divided by 2
10.5.
equal 10.5. So the radius length is 10.5, and this is our answer. So from the beginning, we start with Ziyad, find the diameter and the radius of a circle to the nearest hundredth if the circumference of the circle is 65.4. Ziyad start by the rule and then substitute, divide, he gets approximately equal 21. This is the diameter. And we complete with Salman. Salman divide the diameter by 2 and get 10.5. Okay. This is the answer of this example. We're going to another example. Okay. I think the next example is the last one. Okay, Mazen, we take Mazen first. Okay, Mazen. Mazen. Mazen.
Yes, miss.
Okay. You want to solve?
Yes.
Okay, we'll take the next example. This is the answer as you see by steps. And he get it's 1041. We approximate it to be 10.5 and 21. Okay, Mazen, can you read the example?
Yes. Find the radius of a circle to the nearest hundredth if its circumference is 16.8 meters.
I need to find the radius, and we have the circumference.
Yes, we are going to make the circumference divided by 2 pi.
Yes, so to find the radius r, we take the circumference and divide it by 2 multiplied by the value of r. Okay, the circumference equal what?
16.8.
So 16.8 divided by 2 times 3.14. Do you have a calculator? Mazen? Shari, can you complete? Shari? Shari?
Can I, Mister?
Yes,
I'm
you
sorry,
can
miss.
complete. You have a calculator?
Yes.
Okay.
Mister, I'm sorry, but the internet connection is bad here.
Okay, there is no problem. Abdullah or Mazen, there is no problem. If you get it, give me the result.
Yes, I get it. 2.67.
2.67. So the radius length is letter C. Okay. This is the end of our session today. So today we revise what we talk about. We talk about first the concentric circle with Abdullah El-Anazi and Abdullah Shavi and Mazen, and then we're talking about we are talking about the radius, the circumference, and the relation with the diameter also. We solve about 4 examples. Please try to finish your homework. I have only 7 students who solve the last homework. So please, we have another homework till tomorrow. Please try to finish it. I'll take now the attendance. I'll take now the attendance. Please don't leave. Don't leave till I take the attendance. I have 10A. Abdullah El-Anazi, yes. Okay. Abdullah El-Bari, absent. Abdullah Saleh El-Gurni. Abdullah El-Gurni, where is yes? Okay. Abdullah Sami, no. Abdullah Shavi, yes. Abdullah Walid, where is Abdullah Walid? Abdullah Walid, I think Abdullah Walid is not here. Okay. Ahmed Faiz. Ahmed Faiz is not here.
I'm here, Mr.
Where is your name? Okay.
I'm here.
Yes, Ahmed Al-Anazi, yes. Okay, the first one. So Ahmed Faisal is not here. Hamoud is not here. Ibrahim is here. Mazen, Mishari, Muhammad Al-Muhsin. Where is Muhammad Al-Muhsin? Muhammad Al-Muhsin is not here. I have only Muhammad. Muhammad Gurney is not here. Muhammad Rafa, yes. Muhammad Tamimi, yes. Muhammad Salmi is not here. Naif is not here. Riyadh is not here. Salman, yes. Saud, where is Saud?
Mister, I am here. What's not here?
Riyadh?
Yes, here.
Yes. Okay, Riyadh. Saud and Saud, I don't have.
Okay.
Barraq and
Mister حضرني.
Salman Al-Mehatib, Tamim Al-Mehatib, Ziyad. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 students. Still missing 1 student. 1 student.
Mister حضرتني.
Hamoud, yes. Okay, Hamoud.
Mr. Mohammed.
What?
حضرتني.
Yes.
Riyadh,
okay. So I have 15 students and me. So this I have also 15 students. Thanks, my dear students. Try to react with your electronic homework on SBS. And tomorrow, inshallah, I'll send the report before the class. Thanks and goodbye.